These are strawberries I picked up at Walmart. I really don't know why they're limited edition, but they are big. I originally was gonna make the Dubai chocolate covered strawberries, but I'm kind of pistachioed out. So I'm just gonna make chocolate stuffed strawberries, and I'll show that in a minute. First thing I'm gonna do is rinse these off and let them air dry for a little bit. I need cream cheese for this recipe, so I got the cream cheese coming to room temperature, and then I'm gonna use the leftover chocolate ganache from the other day when I made the Dubai chocolate brownies. Gotta use up what's in my fridge. I don't like anything to go to waste. For these strawberries, I'm not dipping them in chocolate, so I don't need the stems. So I am going to core them real quick with this little handy strawberry corer I picked up at some strawberry festival event. So for the strawberries, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, and then 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna blend those together real quick with just a hand mixer. So that's creamed together. It's stuck to that, but that's fine. All stuck to the beaters. And now this is the chocolate ganache that was left over from the other night. Danny, get down. So I would have preferred like 1 cup worth of melted chocolate. I would say this is like only 1/3 cup. Let's see what it looks like blended together to see if I need to melt more chocolate. I just wanted to use up what I had. All these cats. Can you hear the cats? Yeah, they hear me working with food. They want something. No, this isn't for you. Oh, this might be funny. It's good. Yeah, do that with. I would have liked it if it was a little darker, but hey, Danny's trying to eat strawberries off to the side. All right, quick taste test. That is delicious. You see what's going on here? Danny, stop. I have a piping bag ready with just a tip, one of my favorite tips. I'm gonna put all the icing into the piping bag. All right, that is so good. So these are just strawberries cut in half. When making stuffed strawberries, I've seen people leave the green on. I don't like the green on because I want them to like be able to just pop it in their mouth. I've also seen people like hollow out a bit of the strawberries. I'm not doing that either. Like maybe if I was taking them to a party to make it more like a cup, but my idea, it was just like, I'm not the best with piping. All right, this first one's always the worst. Just kind of zigzag, a little icing. Is my hand blocking everything? Hold on. Probably not the best angle, but you get the idea. That car with the loud muffler just scared the cats. Can you hear that car? I live way too close to Manchester, which is a very high trafficked road in St. Louis. See, Oh, I was totally not on camera for any of that. Hold on, I still have a couple more to cut. Let's see if I can just show you on camera. I'm just doing a simple zigzag. All right, here we go. Some people call them deviled strawberries. I don't really like that term. I just call them stuffed strawberries. And then just to make them a little more festive, I got these little heart sprinkles. So I'm gonna put these sprinkles on top of the strawberries. I'm gonna need both hands for that. I think I need like food grade tweezers or something. It'd be easier to put these on with tweezers. Use whatever sprinkles. I mean, these are pretty simple but look cool. Like it'd be good for like a dessert tray. Like, because making like completely covering strawberries in chocolate is like not easy. It's lots of little steps. This is a lot quicker and they taste just as good. I got more sprinkles right here. I got all kinds of sprinkles. So let me finish putting the rest on these. Just looking at them, they kind of are shaped like deviled eggs. So I bet if you wanted to take them to a party, you could store them in a deviled egg container easily. All right. So I was telling it's cream cheese. What happened? No. Robert just ate one. And your reaction was a little crazy. You don't like it?
No, it's perfect.
Okay. He's lying. Deviled strawberries.
Good.
They're good. They're good.
You get stung in the jaws.
Sweetness.
So, yeah, it's like it's zing.
Too much. Oh my god.
It zings you in the mouth.
That cream cheese frosting.
That's cream cheese?
It's cream cheese, powdered sugar, and the leftover chocolate ganache. Some people just melt chocolate instead of the chocolate ganache, but I wanted to use what we had on hand. I'd make these to take to a party. And you could use it for any holiday. Just change the sprinkles to be holiday sensitive, you know what I mean? Like red, white, and blue for 4th of July or birthday colors. I just happen to have pink hearts and it's Valentine's Day next week. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna end up eating this whole tray in one sitting. It's not too chocolatey. I love chocolate covered strawberries, but sometimes like if they dip too much chocolate in it, it's a bit of an overload. I think these are just like the perfect amount. These cats are watching me like, where's mine? Can cats eat strawberries?
I don't think so.
Sorry guys.
I think they can, they just don't.
She thinks she can.
What?
Nutmeg. This is nutmeg. She thinks she can eat a strawberry.
Okay.
We have a calming collar on her because she's our problem child. So cute.